So today we have this AC servo motor by SGMA. I mean, it's from, I think, Yaskawa. Yes, Yaskawa Electric Corporation. It's a 200-watt motor. It's basically uh, servo motor. Yes, it's a servo motor. It can deliver up to 0.637 Newton meter torque, and its minimum RPM are 3000, and it takes about 1.9 ampere at 200 volts. So it's approximately 200 watt. So let's open it. So first we will open these two wires. These wires are for the main power, and these are for the encoders. So let's open these wires. So after removing that, we can see that it has only 4 wires pins connected and 2 wires are free. So in this side there are 6 pins. So let's open that encoder interface. So now we have opened our encoder interface, and we can see there are only 4 wires. I think it is using its proprietary protocol, but let's see, open it. And we will also open this because I have previously tapped this device, this encoder. So let's open it. So here is this our motor. So its encoder, and it was his interface. I just tapped this A minor, B and B minor wires so that I can see what type of data it sends output. So basically it uses the sine and cosine wave output so that we can interpolate to get a maximum resolution. On the data sheet it says it gets 17 bits of data. So let's open that interface and see it disk how this is performing that. So here it is the circuitry. This is the rotor disc. So it has very tiny lines on it. If I can show you, yes, these are the tiny lines, and this is the tiny encoder reader head, so that can read values. Now here was the ADC, analog to digital converter chip, that receives the analog data, sine and cosine values. Now this chip converts the little excitation signal into this sensor that is going downward. Then this receiver receives that signal and sends this IC and this IC to amplify that. Basically it's a 50 to 100 millivolt signal. Then these amplifiers amplify them to like 3.3 volt or a 5 volt. Now converting them into differential signals. So for example like RS-232, so that they can be used in a heavy industry environment. So let's close that. So the yaskawa is very uh, thinking about its own proprietary